let's speak French. Bienvenue sur la chaîne Parlons Français. Welcome to the channel Let's Speak French. In our previous lesson, we learned about how to describe your physical appearance or traits or characteristics to someone. Today we are going to learn about something new, which is telling somebody about the work you do, your profession in which you practice, or whether you are involved in a trade or not. So in this case, we are going to learn firstly we are going to learn the names of professions and learn some names of trades, after which we are going to learn how to tell somebody the work that you do. So c'est tout. Donc, I want you to pay attention, relax, and enjoy the lesson. If this is your first time of watching this channel, kindly subscribe and learn how to speak French, and let's speak French. Parlons français. Merci. So, the first part of our lesson is going to be focused on the professions. And what I want you to know is that the professions are going to be grouped into masculine and feminine. I hope the word masculine and feminine rings a bell. Masculine refers to a man or a male. Feminine refers to a female or a woman. Right? So if a man is involved in a particular profession, we are going to attribute, or we are going to put him in the basket of masculine. And if it's a woman, we are going to put her in the basket of feminine. So whenever I mention a noun or a profession, I'm going to mention the masculine first, and the feminine will follow. Okay, so let's go. So the first profession we are going to mention is infirmier. Infirmier. The feminine is infirmière. So in introducing yourself, if you want to tell us that you are a nurse, you say, je suis infirmier. And that is when you are a man. You say, je suis infirmier. When you are a woman, you say, je suis infirmière. Infirmière. That is to say, you are a nurse. If you are a lawyer, as a man, you will say, je suis avocat. Or je suis un avocat. That is a lawyer, a male lawyer. If you are a woman and you are a lawyer, you say, je suis une avocate. Je suis une avocate. Or je suis avocate. Avocate is lawyer, who is a female. So the next one is médecin. Somebody will say médecin. Yeah, so if you want to speak proper French, you say je suis médecin. Médecin is a man who is a lawyer. If you are a woman who, is a man who is a doctor. A doctor is médecin. But if you are a woman, you are also médecin. So whether man or woman, you all say je suis médecin. You don't say je suis médecine. No. You say je suis médecin. Médecin is for a doctor. If you are a secretary, you say je suis secrétaire. Je suis secrétaire. Both male and female, we use the same word, secrétaire. Je suis secrétaire, whether male or female. The next one, we go to acteur. Acteur. Acteur is an actor. Acteur is an actor. So if my name is je m'appelle Denzel Washington, I can say je suis acteur, because Denzel, we all know, is an actor. Yes, if Mr. Ibu, say je suis acteur. If you are a woman like Genevieve, say je suis actrice. Je suis actrice. All right. So you don't use the same word for acteur. Acteur for a man, actrice for a woman. All right. So when it comes to director or A head manager. A French person will say directeur. Je suis directeur. Je suis directeur. If you are a woman, you say je suis directrice. Je suis directrice. Yes, that is a manager. Je suis directeur de l'école publique. Je suis directrice. Donc c'est cela. You are not supposed to use the same word. Directeur, directrice. And we have chanteur. If you are a singer, professional singer. If you are a man, you say je suis chanteur. If you are a woman, you say je suis chanteuse. Chanteur, chanteuse. Chanteur, chanteuse. That is for somebody who is a singer. If you are a civil servant, you say je suis fonctionnaire. Je suis fonctionnaire. Yeah. So whether you are a male or a female, masculine or feminine, you say fonctionnaire. Je suis fonctionnaire. So in talking about yourself, trying to present yourself to somebody, you can talk about your name, your age, where you live, where you come from. Then you come to your physical appearance, like we did in the previous lesson. Then you add the work that you do, the profession in which you are involved. Je suis directeur, je suis directrice. Je suis acteur, je suis actrice. Je suis chanteur, je suis chanteuse. Alright, so that is what I want you to say in terms of your profession. But in case I didn't mention or I didn't talk about your profession, you can ask a question in the comment box and I'm going to attend to you as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching Let's Speak French. In our next lesson, we are going to talk about the traits, other traits that are not professional, as we may say. So I want you to kindly subscribe to the channel Let's Speak French, Parlons Français. And you can also follow us on Facebook. Like our page, Let's Speak French, Parlons Français. Merci. On se verra tôt. Thank you.